Smoking sous sommelier-ish. Ukulele J.
This is how you marinate a whole beef tenderloin. Gonna throw it in the vacuum seal for 24 hours. We're gonna tie it up and put it in the fridge for 24 hours for a dry brine and getting that crust ready. We're pairing our tenderloin with a 2000 Ridge Montebello. This incredible Cabernet sold for upwards of $400 a bottle. An absolutely incredible wine, unanimously rated at 93 to 95 points. I'm giving it 95 ukuleles. It was knock your socks off, full mouth coating feel, incredible nose of deep blackberry flavors, slight cherry, and a little bit of hint of vanilla. It is something that you will always remember. The color is absolutely amazing. Look at that, that's 20 years in the bottle. 2000 Ridge Montebello. Oh, that is scintillating. Rolls are ready. Time to heat up the grill. I monitored my temps until the grill grates reached 700 degrees. Okay, we have our beautiful smoked Chateaubriand at 105 internal temp. We're gonna get on the grill to 120. We're going rare tonight. After searing on the PK360, this is what you get. There we go, 120 after the rest. Perfectly rare. That's what we want. Okay, let's go ahead and take this twine off. It's looking beautiful. Color on it. 2 hours on the Yoder, smoking it. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, there we go. I'm gonna do a center cut. We want rare, we're at 120. And that is absolutely gorgeous and scintillating. Thank you, PK Grills. Final grilling was done with the PK360. Off a little bit of the end piece here. Oh, look at that. I mean, talk about juicy. I'm not even squeezing the meat. It's just dripping with juice. Let's see how it tastes. Take a little bite. That's like filet mignon on a stick, on a roll. It is so tender, smoky, perfect flavor, absolutely scintillating. These are a thing of beauty. Just nailed this Chateaubriand. Absolutely incredible. The crust was amazing. I was really, really happy, and so was the family. To complete the dish, we used salted potatoes, glazed onions, and our Caesar salad that's made with homemade Caesar salad dressing, including anchovies and a raw egg, the way it's supposed to be. This was an amazing dish, and I encourage you all to do it. It was sensational. Gotcha.
Smoking sous sommelier-ish. Ukulele J.